Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So right now it is literally like 10:28. Right now I have to hurry up and get ready. Like no joke, I have really no time. I really don't even have time to really talk. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing right now for my makeup. I have to rush to get my son to his follow-up appointment for his stitches. And I'm just like, I have to hurry up. So I am going to be going in today with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I already moisturized my face, so I'm just going to go in with this. Alright, so for the other primer, I am going to be going in with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, this one right here. And this one I'm just going to be applying right here in my pores area. And for foundation, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Born to Glow. This one is the Natural Radiant Foundation, and this one's in the shade Buff. And to apply that, I'm going to be using my Real Technique sponge. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with some concealer. I'm going to go in with this one from e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the shade Medium Sand. I'm going to add a little bit up here because this thing does not want to go away. So we're going to do that real quick, conceal that. I mean, it didn't really work too much, but that's okay. Alright, so you see, this is really quick. Right now it is 10:31, so I just took, what, 3 minutes? Alright, now I'm going to go in with my RCMA no, I'm not. I am going to be going in with my contour stick, which is this one here. This is in the shade F13. Just going to be grabbing the Makeup Revolution foundation stick and the Real Techniques contour brush, blending this out. Okay, I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on the lips. And now I'm going to be going in with the RCMA powder, and I'm just going to apply this underneath the eye with the sponge. Now I'm going to go in with this bronzer. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. This one is in the shade Medium. And I'm going to be grabbing that new brush. This brush right here from ColourPop. It's a really nice brush. This is the F21. Just swirling my brush in this big round compact. And bronzing up my face. I feel like I bronzed up a little too much, but that's okay. Can always go in and clean it up. I mean, even if I'm rushing, I can still make it work. So I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna go in with this as well, and this is a Morphe M441, and I'm just using that on the crease right here, bringing it into the nose a little bit. Super simple, quick and easy today, you guys, because I gotta hurry up and go. I should have been out the door already, but you know, things don't go as planned. I'm still a mess, not my normal self yet, so it's just gonna take a little longer. I'm gonna grab this Morphe M562 brush. You guys need this brush, and I'm just gonna use that to blend the lower lash line right here. Add a little bronzer. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with this big BH Cosmetics 1 brush and just blend out a little bit of this bronzer because it's a little harsh for me, and up here as well, right there. I feel like that looks a little bit better. All right, so I was gonna go in and just reverse contour, but honestly doing that with that big brush, I don't need to. So now I'm just gonna brush my brows and I'm gonna fill them in. I just need my brow pencil. I guess I'll use this one today. I used this yesterday. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just gonna fill them in, nothing crazy. Alright, so as you can see, brows always tends to take the longest for me, but so far that looks pretty decent. I can walk out like that. I'm going to go in with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel, and I'm just going to apply that on these brows so they stay in place, they don't move. What time is it? It's 10:38. 10 minutes so far. See, I'm not even kidding you. It's 10:38. See? 10:38. Just gonna do this again, just a little bit. Gonna add a little bit of a highlight. And I'm going, ooh, ouch. I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow Highlighter. It's the best highlighter ever. So I'm just gonna mix these two. Apply a little bit here. Apply a little bit there. Nothing crazy. Right there. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit on the inner corner because y'all know me. I always do something on the inner corner. It wouldn't be right if I didn't. Okay, I feel like I have something here. Alright, that is that. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes real quick and head out. All right, so now that I'm done applying my lashes, I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and I'm just going to apply some on the lower one so at least everything looks balanced. All right, so now for lips, you guys, I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner. Trying to overlap my lips a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with Taunt from Morphe. This is their matte liquid lipstick. And Taunt. And that is that. So for today's look, now I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And that is today's quick and easy look. Right now it is 10:47. Probably took like 20 minutes doing my makeup, if that. But this is it right here, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is like real, I gotta get out now. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.